In every age, humanity has sought the same thing, to know what comes next. We've always feared the dark corridor of the future, so we filled it with voices that claimed to see beyond. In Delphi, a priestess inhaled sacred vapors and spoke the riddles of Apollo. In Babylon, seers read the flight of birds and the patterns of smoke. In Jerusalem, prophets cried out in deserts, warning of what was written in heaven's fire. They all promised the same comfort, that the unknown could be known, that uncertainty could be conquered if only we learned how to listen. But the oracles have changed their tongues. Today we call them models, and they speak in probabilities, not poetry. Their vapors are data, invisible, endless, precise. Their temples hum in chilled air, rows of servers glowing like silent priests. Once prophecy was sacred mystery, now it's a service. The algorithm has replaced the oracle. It doesn't speak in riddles, it predicts, offering not wisdom, but certainty, or the illusion of it. It knows when we'll buy, when we'll sleep, when we'll speak, when we'll break. And like the oracles of old, its visions shape the future it foresees. Every prediction becomes a seed planted in our behavior. Every forecast shapes the act it claims to foresee. And so, prophecy, once divine, has become recursive, a mirror that feeds itself. The Oracle of Delphi once said, "Know thyself." The algorithm says, "We already do." We have entered the age of measurable prophecy. No incense, no thunder, just data, clean, endless, unfeeling. It doesn't dream or hope. It calculates. And the more we depend on it, the more its voice becomes our own. Prophets once warned of false gods. But what if our new God is not false and only mechanical? What if it believes in nothing but the next line of code? Still, humanity can't resist its call. We are drawn to those who claim to know the path, to anything that offers meaning in the noise. And so we kneel before screens instead of shrines, awaiting revelation in real time. But beneath the glow of all this knowledge is the same old hunger, to make the future less frightening, to find a pattern in the chaos, to turn chance into certainty. In the end, it's not the machine that plays prophet, it's us. We built it in our image, a reflection of our ancient longing to master destiny itself. And like every oracle before, it will one day fall silent.